focus back up on me real quick. Alright, so hope you got you some direct quotes. You've read through the articles now. Remember how I told you to remember the letter on top of your primary source packet. So let's go back to the very front page. So there's going to be, you have 1 to 6 letters, A, B, C, D, E, or F, okay? So don't get up yet, but we're going to be moving to our groups. So I would just clear off your desk right now because you're not going to be sitting there. I would just keep your T-chart and your articles and a pencil. That's all and your note card that I passed out to y'all while y'all were reading. So make sure you keep that flashcard. So, all right, come back. Here we go. So, if you have an A on your packet, raise your hand. A's. Awesome. Okay. So A's, you're going to be in these front 6 desks right here, okay? Front 6 right here is my A's. B's, where are my B's at? High, really high so I can see everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Here we go. B's are going to be right here in these 6. C's, where are my C's? C's, all right, perfect. 5. You're going to be these back 6 right here. These back 6. My D's, where are my D's at? Those back 6 right here. E's, you're going to be right on over here in these 6. And my F's, over there in that back 6, all right? Let's move there real quick. Here you go. It's your time to, get a little loosey-goosey. You got some quiet times. Anytime I get those creative juices flowing. A little pep in your step. All right, here you go. Here you go. Hey, eyes up, ears open. My group D, you're gonna want to hear this. Okay, I'm gonna pass out y'all's discussion activity worksheet right here. Okay, y'all are only gonna need one, and I'm giving it to the group leader. Whoever it is the group leader. Okay. All right, so real quick, let's take a look at this. Real quick. So first, we're going to go over some procedures for the discussion. So procedure 1, anytime you want to talk during this, your answer needs to have textual evidence before speaking. So that's why I had y'all write down your quotes. Okay? Make it a little more streamlined. You have to bring textual evidence to the party when you're discussing these questions. Okay? Now, number 2. No reference should be repeated. So, let's say I brought up a textual evidence and I'm answering question 2 and I'm having textual evidence. I can't have Hunter come in and I can say and restating my same thing again, okay? You can't restate the same quote or same textual evidence, okay? Well, if you go to the next question, though, you can use that quote again, but only on the next question. Number 3, participants will take turns. So, when taking turns, you will have a speaking object. You each have a speaking object, and I'm coming around and handing these to your leaders right now. All right? Your leader is always going to, when it comes to every question, your leader will have to start with the speaking object or the stuffed animal, okay? Every time you go to another question, your leader should have this again. Once the leader will then restate the question, or will speak the question, and then they will say their point of view and their answer to the question. Once they are done, they will just ask who wants to go next, and they will pass off the animal at that point. Okay? Number 4, you all will treat each other with respect and participate. Miss Barcy will be walking around grading you on your participation today. So please contribute to the discussion so you get your full participation points. You will also show each other respect. common courtesy if that's expected. So let's keep looking at the sheet. Let's look at question 1, and let's look at the questions. So, if you notice, question 1 and question 6 says must answer on your index card. That's why I hand out your index card. Questions 1 and 6 also are your opinion questions. They do not need textual evidence. This is strictly what you think and what you believe is the correct answer with your own justification. When in discussion and doing questions 1 and 6, write your answer down first individually, and then come together to discuss it. Okay? That will be key on those on numbers 1 and 6. 2 through 5, so 2, 3, 4, and 5, those do need textual evidence. So if you can't repeat quotes or anything like that, that's why I had you have multiple sources. Alright? Multiple quotes. And that's how you're going to follow the regular process. Alright? Before you start, make your little groups into circles to make it easier to discuss. Once that's good to go, use your T-charts to take any notes that you have that your peers might bring up to you. And then at that point, and about 15 minutes left in class, we're going to come back together and we're going to debrief, okay? Does anyone have any questions or have any comments whatsoever? Does everyone know how to go about? Yes.
For question 1,
Mm-hmm.
you have to explain why you believe that.
Yes. Put your own justification in there, but you can use text, but you don't have to. Okay. Anyone else? Questions? All right. Make your groups into circles. Begin your discussion.
I think that's it. We're good. Oh, okay. We're good.